Hello everyone, our topic for today is about factoring using common monomial factor. Common monomial factoring is the process of writing a polynomial as a product of two polynomials, one of which is a monomial that factors each term of the polynomial. To ensure that the polynomial is a prime polynomial, we are going to use the greatest common factor or the GCF of the terms of the given polynomial. But how to find the greatest common factor of any given polynomial? Here are the steps. Number 1. For example, we are given find the GCF of 4m squared and 10m raised to the power of 4. What are we going to do? First, we are going to express each term as a product of prime factors. In other words, we are going to write each term in expanded form. For 4m squared, it is 2 times 2 times m times m. For 10m raised to the power of 4, that is equal to 5 times 2 times m times m times m and times m. The next step is we are going to find the common factors. So what are the common factors of 4m squared and 10m to the power of 4? So we have 2. We also have m and another m. The next step is we are going to combine or to multiply the common factors. What are the common factors? 2, m, and m. So we multiply, we have 2m squared. So it is our greatest common factor. In other words, the greatest common factor of 4m squared and 10m raised to the power of 4 is equal to 2m squared. So how are we going to factor common monomial factor? So for example, we are asked to factor 8x cubed plus 16x squared minus 24x to the power of 4. So here are the steps. Number 1, we are going to determine the greatest common factor of all terms in the polynomial. I've previously discussed to you how to find the GCF of the polynomial, so it is very easy for you now to find the GCF. So what is the GCF? The GCF is 8x squared. Next step is you are going to divide each term in the polynomial by the GCF. So our first term is 8x cubed. We divide it by the GCF, 8x squared. That is equal to x. The second term is 16x squared divided by the GCF, 8x squared, that is equal to 2. And the next term or the third term is negative 24x to the power of 4 divided by your GCF, 8x squared, that is equal to 3x squared. So we combine the quotient, so that is x plus 2 minus negative 3x squared. Now remember that 8x squared is your first factor. Do not forget that your GCF is your first factor and your second factor is the quotient. Quotient of the polynomial divided by the GCF. So therefore, our factors are 8x squared and x plus 2 minus 3x squared. Therefore, the factored form of 8x cubed plus 16x squared minus 24x to the power of 4 is 8x squared times the product times x plus 2 minus 3x squared. So let us have another example on how to factor or factoring common monomial factor.